are used for the drafting in architecture. For example, parallel, set square, protractor, roller scale, compass, etc. So in today's video we will see what are the types of instruments are used in architecture drawing or drafting. Drafting board. What is drafting board? It is a flat surface on which sheets are mounted and drafting can be made. It is made by strips of seasoned softwood. Shorter edge of the drafting board is smooth and straight so that T-square and parallel movement can be easy. Large size of drafting board is used in any architectural or engineering firms and in colleges also for the student purpose drafting. As you can see on the screen, a sketch of drafting board. Next is a drawing table. What is drawing table? It is made out of wood or steel. It is a hinged attachment unit used for the inclination of the table. The height of the table is in such a way that people can easily draft a sheet in standing position also. The stool should be high enough for the comfortable drafting. As you can see on the screen, a sketch of a drawing table. The next instrument is T-square. T-square is made out of wood, steel and a plastic. There are mainly two parts of the T-square, a head, stalk and the blade. The head will be always on the edge of the drafting board and the blades are used for the movement. As you can see on the screen, a sketch of a T-square. Next drafting instrument is roller scale. It is made out of a plastic or acrylic material. It is used for the parallel lines. It is mainly used by students and engineers for the drafting purpose. The length of the scale is 16 centimeters or 30 centimeters. It is used in such a way that you have to place a longer edge on the straight line and then you have to roll a scale to a point where you want to draw a next parallel line. As you can see on the screen, a sketch of a roller scale. Next drafting instrument is set square. It is made out of plastic or any acrylic material. It is mostly used to measure an angle or draw an angle like 50, 30, 60, 45 till 180 degree. Set squares are also used to draw different types of lines like horizontal line, vertical line, parallel line, perpendicular line, angular line, etc. As you can see on the screen, a sketch of a set square. Next is scale. It is made out of steel, wood or plastic. It is in the length of 15 centimeters or 30 centimeters or 45 centimeters. There are different types of scales like metric scale, inch scale, engineering scale, mechanical scale, architectural scale, etc. In this scale, there are mainly two types of divisions. First is major divisions in centimeters and it is subdivided in millimeters. It is mostly used to draw an object in particular size or a scale. As you can see on the screen, a sketch of a scale. Next drafting instrument is protractor. It is mostly made by plastic or acrylic material. It is used to mark and measure different angles, for example 30 degrees, 15 degrees, 65 degrees, etc. There are mainly three types of protractors are available in market: flat protractor, circular protractor and semicircular protractor. In architecture, mostly semicircular protractor are used and it is also used by the students for drafting or any circular design pattern. As you can see on the screen, a sketch of a protractor, semicircular protractor. Next drafting instrument is French curves. French curves are made out of plastic or any acrylic material. It is mostly used in when you want to draw a curve which is not circular or not semicircular or cannot be drawn by compass. If you want to draw a curve accurately and perfectly, then French curves are used. It is also used to join three points with the help of edge of the French curves. It is mostly used by students for designing curves patterns and for architects or engineers for any shape to design. Or there are also different types of instruments which are used in architectural drafting and using it in everyday situations. For example, pencil, sketch, scale, eraser, compass, etc. So these all are the drafting instruments which we are using in for the drafting purpose.